Inbox Dollars allows you to earn extra money doing paid surveys in your spare time. Use my link below in the description and you will earn a $5 bonus for sign up. Do not miss out and be sure to use my link. Well, Bitcoin has broken well above 10,000 US dollars. How's everyone doing today? It is the Naughty Investor, your top source for cryptocurrency news on YouTube. Be sure to hit the subscribe button if you enjoy regular cryptocurrency related content. That is news, technical analysis, reviews, the whole sorts. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. So Bitcoin over 10,000, well over. What does this mean? And what's it mean for Bitcoin? What's it mean for altcoins? And what does it mean for you as the investor? Well, number one, let's take a look at last time Bitcoin broke $10,000, right? Last time Bitcoin broke $10,000 was right over here when it was on the ascension, okay? So right here, we know that of course it did briefly top 10,000 again right here, but this was kind of a false correction, so I'm not counting that, all right? So I understand you're looking at the graph, you know, right over here, Bitcoin broke 10,000. That was a false correction, meaning if you're in a bear market, a correction is when the price goes up. When you're in a bull market, the price is when the correction is when the price goes down. I know that's a bit confusing for newer traders and newer investors, but correction is not synonymous with price going down. A correction could be a price going up if it's a bear market correction because it's correcting back up. So correction is just, you know, it's that. So we're not going to count right here because that was just, again, that was just a false rally. But right here was the last time Bitcoin broke 10,000 US dollars. And as you could see, look how rapidly it increased all the way up to almost 20,000. Look how rapid that movement was, right? This was not a steady increase, okay? I mean, it was steady up until this point, right? All through there, it's a steady increase. But once it hit that $10,000 level, it went parabolic, right? Parabolic, it just went... It was rapid. It was a rapid ascension up to 20,000, and then of course we had the bear market that followed. This time around, we are starting to see that same rapid ascension. I mean, look at this. This is not, you know, we're going sideways and steady increasing from right here. This is rapid ascension starting to go up, okay? Now, for those of you who are wondering, is this a buying opportunity? To be honest with you, no. This is not a buying opportunity because there will be a pullback. And the reason why I'm saying that there will be a pullback, you have to look at RSI. We're into overbuying territory. There will be some small pullbacks. So if you're looking to get into Bitcoin, wait on that pullback because it will come. It's just mathematics. There will be another pullback. Again, if you're investing super long term, maybe you want to buy it right now. I'm not saying you shouldn't do it and it's the totally wrong move to do, because if you're looking at past history, I mean, just look at this. We went so rapid up to 20,000. Now, the big difference this time around, what is the big difference? For one, we have many more investors, right? This time around, it was more of a retail bull run. This time around, it's going to be a mixed bull run. There is going to be a mix of retail investors pushing the price up and institutional investors. And if you're asking yourself, what changed? What changed from right here to right here? What's the big change? Where we are right now, there is more of a foundation. It's easier for foundations and institutions and companies and businesses to get Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies too. We're going to get into that in a second, all right? I promise you, we'll talk about the altcoins. So the big difference this time around is there's more support. There's custody from like Coinbase and other large crypto companies where big businesses and, you know, hedge funds and mutual funds and different places that want to buy Bitcoin and crypto, it's easier for them to store that now. Back here, it was very confusing for people. People didn't know how to store the crypto. They didn't know if I have the crypto, should I put it in a ledger? Should I put it here? Hot wallet, cold wallet, whatever. Now we have the custodianship on this bull run. So if that's the case, it's only logical that this bull run should be it'll make this one look like nothing, right? That's just the case of, simple logic. It's easier for companies and businesses and hedge funds and crypto funds and, just institutional investors. I keep going into the specifics. Institutional investors is a very broad term, and that's who is going to push the price way up versus what it just was last time, okay? Now, moving on to the altcoins. Altcoins are going to be very important to own in this bull run this time around, and here's the reason why. You're going to see a lot of the crappy altcoins fail, and that's going to make the good altcoins go immensely higher in price, okay? What's going to happen this time around? Because last bull run, right, going back to the last bull run, we had a lot of hype. We had a lot of crappy ICOs out there. There were some good ICOs too, but a lot of crappy ICOs, a lot of crappy companies, a lot of crappy products, all right? A lot of false narrative last time. This time, those crappy products are starting to fail. They're starting to run out of money. They're starting to go under, all right? This time around, the good altcoins are going to really capture a lot of market cap, all right? And the reason for that is because the old crappy altcoins are going to disappear, and the good altcoins are going to capture their market cap. And when I talk about good altcoins, I'm talking about Ethereum. I'm talking about XRP, all right? There's a ton of different altcoins. I'll do a video on that in the future, top 10 altcoins you should own for the next bull run, okay? Maybe I'll do a video. Comment down below in the comment section. Please, please, please comment down below if you want to see a video on that, the top 10 altcoins you should own. But just to name a few, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, of course, EOS, and probably throw in a couple privacy coins. But again, I'm not going to list them all right here. It's going to be very important to own the right altcoins, because this time around, it's not going to be the same as last time, where you have all this hype and a lot of crappy coins get into the top 10, right? This time around, it's going to be the best of the best survive, and those that do survive are going to make you very, very wealthy, okay? So if you enjoyed the video, guys, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, share it. I think I talked about everything I wanted to talk about. My last thing I would say is just, be diversified. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, all right? I'll catch you next time, and have a great day. If you've been wanting to learn how to trade in the stock market or crypto markets, look no further. Trend Mysteries will show you the ins and outs of trading with a state-of-the-art trading system. If you want to purchase this product, the link will be available in the description and in the comment section. This is not financial advice, and invest at your own risk.